Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about experimental methods to determine atomic weight and molecular weight. On one side we will write for atomic weight, other side for molecular weight. For determining atomic weight we have Dulong and Pettit method, whereas for determining molecular weight we have three methods. First one is called Victor-Meyer method, second one is called silver salt method, and third one is called chloroplatinate salt method or platinic chloride method. So these are the method which we will discuss further. So first of all we will discuss experimental method to determine atomic weight. For this purpose we have Dulong and Pettit method. We'll write about it. First of all, it is used to determine atomic weight of metals. This method is used for metals. Basically, the formula for Dulong and Pettit method is atomic weight of metal multiplied by specific heat capacity which will be in calorie per gram degree Celsius. The specific heat capacity is for metal is nearly equal to 6.4. The product is nearly equal to 6.4. This is the formula you need to remember. Also 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. If you have to convert in joule, use this. Now we'll solve a problem. 10 gram of metal piece at 30 degrees Celsius immersed in 10 gram of water at 17.3 degrees Celsius. Final temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Valency of metal is 1. Find the metal. Solve by yourself. Now we'll solve it. It's based on Dulong and Pettit method because metal is involved. Therefore Dulong and Pettit method. We can write heat lost by metal will be equal to heat gained by water. We know the formula for heat is Ms delta T. Ms delta T for metal will be equal to Ms delta T for water. We will discuss more about this formula in thermodynamics. Now putting the values: mass of metal 10 gram, specific heat capacity S metal, change in temperature 30 minus 20, mass for water 10 gram, specific heat capacity of water 1, and 20 minus this is 17.3. Now solving it we will get S metal, specific heat capacity of metal is equal to 0.27 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Now apply Dulong and Pettit law. We'll apply on next page. So we had S metal is equal to 0.27 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Now according to Dulong and Pettit method, we'll write the formula: atomic weight of metal multiplied by specific heat capacity which will be in calorie per gram degree Celsius. Specific heat capacity of metal, basically the product will nearly be equal to 6.4. Now putting the values, so we have to find atomic weight of metal multiplied by, we calculated specific heat capacity which is 0.27 is equal to 6.4. So atomic weight of metal will come out to be 23.7. This is nearly 23.7. okay. According to question we have valency of metal is equal to 1. This is given in the question. Now therefore we can guess the metal. It will be Na, sodium, because its atomic weight is nearly 23.7 and valency is 1. So answer will be sodium. Hope you all understand this.